What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel with Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have a real special treat for you today because we're going to unbox the Skullcandy Ink Plus. So the Skullcandy Ink'd Plus is Skullcandy's third iteration of their ink line, and you could say this actually is a quite redesign. This is actually going to be the first redesign of the Skullcandy Ink'd since the Skullcandy Ink'd 2s launched back in, I think it was around 2011, 2012. Put it in the comments if I got the wrong date. Now, this is the third iteration of the Skullcandy Ink'd, and I have to say right off the bat, it looks gorgeous. The packaging looks amazing, and I really admire Skullcandy because they've done away with that awful packaging where you have to use a chainsaw just to get into it. I really appreciate Skullcandy on that. So, as you can see, we have the Skullcandy logo right here, the original essentials, earbuds with microphone. We have it in Espanol. Microphone, 2-year warranty, Skullcandy logo on the left and right. Actually, just on the left side, actually. And here's what they look like on the back. Here's, we're going to get some features. Okay, as we can see, it's redefined design, sleek, look, and comfortable. Music and cable, easy controls, and all that fun stuff. So this is also compatible with Android and iOS. So it's, you could say, it's bi-technical, so it's compatible with both. So I've got my knife here, and we are going to go ahead and unbox this guy. Do a nice incision right here. Alright, let's go and pull this out. Okay. Alright, as you can see, the packaging is extremely simple. We have a small, cute little bag here. We have manuals. And we have the headphones themselves. As you can see, they look really, really sleek. And I admire Skullcandy for actually listening. A lot of people got really tired of having just, you have to use a chainsaw with the old Skullcandy headphones. This is amazing. I mean, all you have to do is peel it open and use right away. Nice job, Skullcandy. That's extra points for you. Alright, so this is basically the unboxing video of the Skullcandy Ink'd Plus. Thank you so much for watching the video unboxing of the Skullcandy Ink'd Plus. Make sure to stay tuned for the full review coming soon. Also, just to let you know, I want to thank a sponsor for today's video. We Stand Together as One. It's an anti-bullying and suicide awareness documentary that's coming soon with the director Devin Sheen Bean. So, make sure to check out the link in the description for where you can find the documentary and all of its info, and be sure to like the page. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day, and pow, right in the kisser.